Hey everyone, what is possibly one of the best exercises for increasing strength, and it's also a great indicator of overall health, and this exercise may also help extend lifespan. I'll get to that in just a minute. I only got home a few minutes ago from a very good workout. I did some jump rope, I was recording footage for future videos. I also did some running and resistance training. And I was actually supposed to work out with a friend today, but because the weather was so cold, he decided not to come. And as I was doing running, I went on a trail. I was thinking to myself about an expression that I really like, and one that you've probably heard of. And that is, sometimes what we least want to do is what we most need to do. An exercise which I think is one of the best for increasing overall strength and health. And it's absolutely fantastic for people who don't want to spend a lot of time exercising, but they want to get a lot of benefits. And that is hanging. A growing body of research shows that grip strength, how hard you can squeeze or grip something, or how long you can hold an object for against resistance, is a really good indicator of how strong you are, of how healthy you are, and even possibly how long you could live. Alright, so the next time you go to your gym, or perhaps you come across a pull-up bar outside, maybe in a park, or you see another object that would be very good for hanging, you could possibly try hanging from that with both hands and see how long you can hang. If you're new to hanging, you might only be able to hang for a few seconds, but practicing a few seconds a few times a week is better than not practicing at all. So I encourage you to practice gripping a bar and hanging from it a few times a week. Once you're able to hang from a bar with two hands for, let's say, a minute, then you could even try doing some one-arm hangs, or trying to hang for longer, possibly 2 minutes, as I was doing in the clip that you're seeing right now. And one thing about hanging, if you start hanging for long durations, if you're able to hang onto the bar for 1 minute or 2 minutes, you might even need more rest between your hanging sessions. So for example, if you do a long hang on a Monday, you might need to rest for a few days before you attempt hanging again. And if you're getting tired of hanging for a minute or even longer, you could even add some resistance. Sometimes I'll wear a rucksack on my back with weights, and I'll hang from the bar. But anyways, get started with doing some hanging from bars and see how long you can go for. Do that 1 time a week even, 2 times a week, possibly 3 times a week. And it can be a great thing for increasing your strength, health, and could even help to extend your lifespan. Alright, thanks for watching this, guys, and I'll see you again soon, hopefully.